Have a new Lorex DVR and want to watch your security cameras on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Lorex DVR to your Android phone or iPhone in just a few easy steps.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, download the Lorex app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the Lorex app and sign in to your Lorex account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account and sign in. Now, make sure your Lorex DVR is powered on and connected to your internet router using an Ethernet cable. Inside the Lorex app, tap the Add Device button and choose DVR from the device list. Scan the QR code displayed on your DVR monitor or manually enter the device ID and login credentials if required. Wait while the app securely connects your Lorex DVR to your account. Once setup is complete, all your connected cameras will appear inside the Lorex app with live video. You can now watch live video, playback recordings, receive motion alerts, capture snapshots, and manage your DVR settings directly from your Android phone or iPhone. That's it. Your Lorex DVR is now connected to your phone, allowing you to monitor your security cameras remotely from anywhere.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.